Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in this video I'll be showing you how to apply for ethical approval. So you open your web browser and type in this address, rips.vhdo.org. Okay, so when the page opens you click on login and type your email address and your password, login. And login. And when you open it, you can see that you have zeros all through. Submitted says 0, pending 0, approved 0. And now this simply means that nothing has been done on this profile yet. The person is yet to submit anything at all. So that's why it's showing 0. But before you can apply for ethical approval, you need to create a specialization. So you click on manage specialization. Now this specialization words that describe or words that can summarize what your proposal is about. So your proposal could be related to engineering, it could be in mathematics, it could be public health, it could be about HIV and AIDS, it could be child and maternal health, whatever it is. The summary, if you can summarize your proposal in a word or two, this is what you that's the word that you'd write here on create specialization. So I'm assuming that the proposal I'm about to submit is specialization for it. Let's say for instance HIV and AIDS. The proposal is for HIV and AIDS. So you click on create and then it has been created successfully. Also, you need to create keyword for this specialization. So when you click on manage keywords, now you can add keywords that are related to HIV and AIDS, such that when they see these keywords, they know that, oh, this is about HIV and AIDS. So for instance, your keywords could be HIV prevention, it could be immunodeficiency, it could be CD4 count. Whatever it is that when people see it, they know that it's related to HIV and AIDS. So you click on create, and mind you, when creating keywords, it's separated by a comma. So when you type in HIV prevention, you put in a comma and then it saves. So yeah, I'm done creating keywords now, so I can apply for ethical approval. So I would go to ethics approval and click on request ethics approval. Now, the first question there says, are you the principal investigator or the local PI? If you're neither of these and you click on no, you cannot submit. So you need to be the principal investigator or the local PI before you can apply for ethical approval. So you click on yes, and of course you click on your specialization that speaks about your proposal. Next, you upload your 2-page CV, and which best describes you. Are you a student or an academic or researcher? Whichever one that describes you, you click on that and follow the prompt. For now, I would say I'm a student and click on next. Is there a co-principal investigator? You can type in the name, the email address and the phone number, and of course letter of support from co-investigators. If there is none, you click on no and say yes. If the project sponsored, if the project is sponsored, you would see different kinds of donors here. So if your donor is not here, you could let us know and then we would add that. We could do that as well. So if it's not sponsored, you just click on no and say next. Duration of the research in years. So it could be for 1 year, 2 years, as many as you can, or as many as it's going to last. Then type that in and say next. So the title of the research, let's say how to submit a proposal. You type in your objective. And next says upload your cover letter. So you upload your cover letter. Upload your proposal. If your researchers have completed ethics training, you can upload evidence of completion. Otherwise, click on no on the next page. If you'll be transferring specimens out of the country, you would need to upload MTA. Otherwise, click on no. Next, upload a 1-page summary if this is required. and remitter upload evidence of payment if this applies to your institution. And then the next is you select the institution that you're submitting your proposal to in order to make payment or waiver or whatever the case is for your institution. But for the sake of this tutorial, I think this institution has been given a 3-month waiver, so I would select a school that has a waiver as well. For this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, Babcock University has been given a 3-month waiver. So you click on submit, and the application process will no longer be editable, ready to proceed. You click on OK, and it says form has been submitted and no longer editable. In released, awaiting feedback for user. So this means that it has been submitted to your institution, and when they've seen your proposal and reviewed it, you would get an email alert. So you can view a one-page summary of what you have done so far. The title of research, how to submit a proposal, objectives, says upload your document. You can also download these documents that you've uploaded in case you want to see what you did, or you can download all of them as a zip file. Now, when you go back to your home page, you'd see that submitted now says 1 instead of 0. So it means that you have submitted one proposal for approval. So yeah, this is about it. Yeah, also if you check your mailbox, you'd know that you'd see that there's an email alert saying that you have submitted a request, user request notification. So this says your request for ethics approval has been received and will be reviewed by the appropriate committee. Feedback will be provided shortly. So you can also see a rough summary of everything as well. So yes, so this is about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.